Hey guys, welcome to Rafael Matron. Today we'll solve this viral math Olympiad algebraic exponential equation. K is equal 3 plus K. Then what's the value of K? So at first we do the method number 1. We just write here the given equation. Now this left side K and the right side K will be minus together and we'll get 0 equal 3, but 0 cannot be equal any real number with, so the method number 1 is rejected. So we have to do by method number 2 for solving this exponential math equation. So at first we are respecting the mathematical rules, then we can take x is equal to y, so we can do square both side, then we can easily write x square is equal to y square. When this is the first case, the modulus x is equal the modulus value of y. This is our first case. So we now write x as this 3 plus k. Alright, and y is equal to this k. Perfect. Now we do both side modulus. Attention here, pay attention, we must use modulus because this will be only count when it is in modulus number or value. So we can write modulus x square is equal to modulus y square. So modulus 3 plus k whole square modulus is equal to modulus k square. Alright, now we can write here by applying mathematical terms, this k square is equal to 3 plus k whole square as a 3 plus k times 3 plus k. So now we can write k square as a 3 times 3 equal 9, and 3 times k will be plus 3k, and 3 times 3 will be 3k, and 3 times 3 will be 9. So I just did a mistake, it will be only k square. It's okay. Now this k square and this k square will be cancelled out, then we can write 6k is equal to minus 9. Now we'll divide it both sides by 6, then we'll get the single value of k is equal to minus 3 by 2. So guys, we get our answer of this exponential solution, k equal minus 3 by 2. This is our answer, but it is not done yet. We have to test and check this number value by applying in this given equation. So the given equation was modulus k is equal to plus modulus 3 plus k. So if we replace here the value of modulus k, 3 by 2 is equal to 3 plus 3 by 2. So we can write 3 by 2 is equal to 2 is there and 6 plus 3. So 3 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. So guys, this left hand side and right hand side not equal, so this cannot possible. So we can prove, we are proving that the equation has no solution, no answer. So this math Olympiad problem has no any answer and this value is rejected. So guys, this math problem is wrong. These are not a good math problem. This is mathematical